Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make an animated text revealing on VN editor. First you need to open your VN editor and then make a new project, but here I already saved a project before. First you need to add a black background to do this tutorial, and after that you need to add a text by clicking the symbol here and insert the text, and then you need to type a word. For example, I would like to type tone creative, and after that you need to adjust the size of the text like this and try to put it on the center of the video. And now swipe the arrow button into the end of the video to make the length of the video as same as the background. And after that, click the text one more time and then swipe left the toolbar and then click mask tools and then click mirror here. And now you need to try to make the mirror mask on the vertical position like this, and adjust the thickness of the mask like this. And now you need to put the mask on the beginning of the text here, and after that click the keyframe and now swipe left maybe on 1 second here. On the 1 second, put the mask on the middle of the text here and make it much more wider, and swipe left again and click keyframe and then put the mask in the end of the text like this, and then swipe left again, add keyframe and try to put the mask on the center one more time again and make it much more wider, and in the end click keyframe one more time again and then make the mask much more wider than before and click done. After you finish doing it, we can see the result and it will be like this. One more time. And that's the way how to make animated text revealing using VN editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.